Hi, my name is Taylor McKenna, reporting live with Ontario's Nuclear Advantage here at Lakeside Controls to learn about their business. Come on this way. We are here with Michelle from Lakeside Controls. Michelle, would you mind telling us a little bit about Lakeside Controls and what you do?
Sure. My name is Michelle Chang-Newson. I am the Lakeside Nuclear Industry Leader. I've been here for 13 years. Started off as an application engineer, then as the account manager for OPG, and now I look after the whole inside and outside sales team and our growth into OPG and Bruce Power. So what we do, we actually supply a lot of process control solutions, including control valves, measurement, instrumentation, reliability, and a lot of systems and solutions for control of the plant.
Where do you see the nuclear industry going into the future?
It's been this long wait for the renaissance, right? And finally, we actually get to see all these refurbishments, right? So $20 billion spend over the next 15 years. This is something a lot of my predecessors were waiting for, and unfortunately, they retired. But here in our generation, we get to see this, and it's good to see that Ontario maintains such a high percentage of nuclear power.
We provide automation solutions to industry in Manitoba and Ontario, and specifically the nuclear industry. I've been involved in the nuclear industry almost my entire career, dating right back to 1991 when I started at Lakeside.
And where do you see the nuclear industry now, and where do you see it going into the future?
I'm really excited for the nuclear industry. I think the government's made the right decision by investing in refurbishing the current units that exist in Ontario, and it provides a low carbon or no carbon solution to our energy needs. And I'm really excited to be a part of helping these plants operate even more efficiently than they did in the past.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Nina, would you mind telling us a little bit of how you see the nuclear industry in today and into the future?
Well, I mean, we've known for a very long time that the nuclear industry is clean, it's safe, and it's very cost efficient. So I think that's what's very, very important for all of us as taxpayers, as the people who care about the environment. We want to make sure that the lights are able to be switched on, that we have power, whether it's nuclear power or others, that it is environmentally friendly and that the environmental footprint is there. We want to make sure that we all understand climate change and that we're all taking steps, and I think the nuclear industry has been foremost taking those steps to making sure that it's very, very safe. And for us at the Ontario government, and I think for everyone out there, we just want to make sure that we have a good, clean, safe environment. And yes, when we put the switch on, that the lights will go on.
Wonderful. I know recently you went to the Bruce Power site to tour the facility, and how was that for you?
It was a great learning experience. For me, it was an eye-opener in many ways on what goes into just to start up a generator and the time that it takes to do that. And when we have an abundance of power, how difficult it is to be able to turn it down. That was a great learning experience, and just touring the facility and meeting the people who work there and the challenges that they face, as well as the fact that they know that they work in an environment that is very safe. And that was a great eye-opener for me and a great learning experience.